In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpause ClickFunnels. This process is straightforward and perfect if you're ready to dive back into utilizing ClickFunnels' powerful platform. Whether you're eager to restart your online marketing funnels or simply want to manage your subscription more actively, we've got you covered. To begin, the first step is logging into your paused account. You'll do this through the normal login portal, just as you would for any other online account. It's important to have your login credentials handy so you can easily access your account without any delay. Once you've successfully entered your details and logged in, you'll find yourself on the paused account screen. Don't worry, this is exactly where you need to be to move forward with the reactivation process. Now, shifting your attention to the screen, you'll want to locate the Customer Center link. This is typically situated on the main page of your account dashboard. Clicking on the Customer Center link is a crucial step because it directs you to where you'll manage your subscription plan. If you're unsure where to find this, take a moment to scan the page as it's usually labeled clearly to guide you seamlessly through the process. Upon reaching the Customer Center, you will see a list of available subscription plans. It's beneficial to have an idea in mind of the plan you wish to reactivate. This could be your previous plan, or you might want to consider other options that better suit your current needs and goals. Feel free to explore the available plans before making your decision. When you've made your choice, click the corresponding button for the subscription plan you desire. Right after selecting your plan, your account will spring back to life, as it will immediately reactivate. This is a quick process that requires no additional confirmation steps. You'll notice right away that a refreshed version of your ClickFunnels dashboard will appear, symbolizing your account has been successfully reactivated. Once you're on your dashboard, take a moment to reacquaint yourself with the tools and features at your disposal. Remember, each plan offers a variety of functionalities that can help you boost your online marketing strategies. Now's a fantastic time to assess any new features or updates ClickFunnels has introduced, which you can leverage for enhanced performance. That wraps up our guide today on how to unpause your ClickFunnels account. I hope this tutorial was clear and valuable as you work to efficiently manage your ClickFunnels subscription. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful ClickFunnels content and tutorials.